Hi
guys! Today mag-unboxing tayo ng nabili na bed kong kwintas sa Goodwill. Ito, mag-unboxing tayo, kakarating lang. Okay. So yan, sige na.
Okay, can I just stick in now?
Yeah, 1 second. Let mommy open it. You can open it.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Be careful. Here, over here. Be careful. Okay. Come over here because they cannot see you. Ay, naku mata. Okay.
See? Mine is more sharp.
Yours.
Mommy!
Gusto niya mag...
Let's
Okay.
cut this. Okay. It's okay.
Okay. Come closer to mommy so that you can see it. Nabid ko lang siya. Okay. Here. Ala, ang ganda. Ito, ano lang to? 10 carats lang to.
What is that?
Yun lang. No more na. Ano siya, oh? Ayan.
If there's nothing inside here, I will
Ano lang siya, oh? Sa Goodwill. Ito
there's
lang.
nothing inside here.
Here, oh.
There's nothing inside here.
10 carat lang siya, guys, na...
I'm cutting this.
Oh.
It's useless.
Nipis?
You made
Oh
me
my God, $130. 130. Diamond man to, diamond. 10 carats. Oh my God, ang nipis.
Mommy,
Hindi na ako mag-bid. Nabid ko siya eh. Yan o, nabid ko siya sa Goodwill. Diamond. Oh my God. Hold on, Joshua, anak.
Watch this. Oops.
Here. Stop. Here. Ito yung nabid ko. Diamond siya, diamond. Ang nipis-nipis. Ano natin to? I-try natin. Can you get mommy car kinak? Because we will magnet this one.
No.
Ayan. Manipis lang siya. I-magnet. Kunin ko yung ano. Kunin ko yung picture.
No. You're not leaving me on. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. What is this? Don't tell me if I'm weird. Don't tell me that I'm weird even though I'm sniffing this. I just want to smell if it's diamond. I'm smelling if it's diamond.
Be careful.
No, it's not.
So,
it's not.
Ito yung tester. I-testing natin siya. Unang ano, magnet. I-magnet natin siya kung magpa-magnet siya. Hindi.
What happened?
Solid siya. Okay. Hindi siya mag-magnet, guys. Sobrang nipis. $130. Ano siya eh? Less 10,000 pesos. Less. Magkano yun? Mga 130. Just mga 8,000 pesos. Hindi siya, ano, not worth it.
How is it not worth it?
Hindi na ako mag-bid. Yan. Testing natin siya ng, meron akong complete tools for tester.
That smells bad.
I smell bad. Stay away there. Don't, go. Ay, nabata.
I'm gonna choke. Never mind.
Tinkara at 18 to. Joshua, stop.
What?
Don't do that. Not stay distance because this is a bad smell. Not good. I-ano muna natin siya. Ang nipis-nipis.
Stay away or else I'll kick your head. It smells bad. Please help me stay away.
Ayan. I-ano natin siya.
Okay, I won't smell then. Never mind.
10 karat talaga siya, guys. 10 carats. I-ano natin yung diamond. Ito. Yan. Oh. 10 carats din siya.
Is it real?
Yes, it's reals. Both reals and it's diamond. And diamond, meron akong diamond tester din. Ano daw natin siya sa 18? Parang 18 yung ano eh. Okay. Joshua, don't get nerve. This is acid, dangerous. 18. Ano natin siya sa 18?
Why did I come down here?
10 carats lang siya, guys. 10 carats. So, naano siya, nabura siya sa 18. So, 10 carats siya. Pareho sila 10 carats. Ito yung 10 carats na pendant and ito yung chain. Ito yung 18, I put 18 carats na acid. Hindi siya. So, 10 carats lang siya. 10 carats lang siya. So, bye. So, bye. Bye.